Hi everyone! So for today's video, we are asked to prepare a video presentation about the importance of UTS or understanding the self in our future career as... But before we start, let us first define what is UTS or understanding the self. Here are the information that understanding the self is important. First, it helps us to know your strong points and weak points. It simply means to learn about what you're good at. Find out what you need to improve. Understand how you solve problems. And last, to make a plan to get better at your job. Second is the emotional intelligence. It about understand about your feelings, control your emotions, and learn how to stay calm. And also, it helps others to feel comfortable. And in connection to engineering, when we are facing a tough problem, it helps us to stay calm. Talk kindly to team members, solve problems without getting angry, and last is to listen to others people ideas. Third is learning and growth. So it's basically about always wanting to learn new things. See mistakes to change and improve. Be curious about new technologies. And lastly is to never give up when things get hard. To be able to understand ourselves perfectly, we need to practice these good habits. Be honest with yourself. Stay curious. Don't be afraid to try new things. And lastly is to learn from your mistakes. Understanding the self is a journey, not a destination. As a mechanical engineer, your ability to know, grow, and use your personal skills will make you stand out.